Here's something I bet you didn't know you could do with a pineapple. But we're gonna save the skin and we're gonna make a fermented kombucha type drink called Tepache. If you're not familiar with Tepache, sometimes it's called pineapple beer. See, the thing is, yeast is a naturally occurring thing. Yeast on flour makes sourdough, yeast on tea makes kombucha, and yeast on pineapple makes Tepache. We're gonna cut our pineapple like normal, but we're gonna save the skin. Now that we've got this cut, let's set it aside. We're just gonna take all of our pineapple peel and we're gonna start loading it into a pitcher. You don't have to use a pitcher. You can use any type of glass container that you want. Or a plastic container, I don't care. Next, we're gonna add a cup of brown sugar. Since we're making a half gallon, we're gonna add 8 cups of water. This is 4. Here's the other 4 cups. Next, we're gonna add a couple of these star anise spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, and a tablespoon of cloves. Next, we're just gonna cover this with a paper towel. We're gonna set this on the counter for 2 to 5 days and let it ferment. It's been 5 days. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt because it's spooky season. But it's time that we check on our Tepache here. You can see it's bubbling and look at this foam on top. I'm gonna start by just pulling out the big chunks. Next, I'm gonna give this a stir before we filter this all out. I'm gonna use a coffee filter. I'm gonna put it in this jar. We're gonna filter out all the big stuff. All right, that took way too long to filter out, but we've got it. So now let's do the taste test. Cheers. Wow, it's very spicy. It's got a lot of spices in it. It's good, it's good. I'm gonna be real with you. Yeah, aftertaste is very much like cough syrup. It doesn't really taste that bubbly. It's not super effervescent. It was a lot of work. I once again wasted my time doing this project. I would not recommend. Not sure where I went wrong. If you like cough syrup, you like doing a lot of work for something that doesn't really taste that good, this is maybe for you. Let me know in the comments if you have a better recipe and maybe you could tell me what I did wrong. Nope, not for me.